person's gonna take you down. You hearing me, Three Eyes?
Oh, I didn't know you had a sense of humor.
Born to fight. You have no idea who you're messing with.
Doesn't matter. I'm still going to win.
Now who has a sense of humor? Real slow, Tien. You just try and keep up with me.
Do what makes you feel good, Yamcha. It's your fuel.
Some extraordinary moves by Yamcha, which prove he can really roll with the punches. What a breathtaking start for the first fight! Yamcha and Tien seem evenly matched! The result is unbelievable!
This guy is relentless. I'm glad the crowd is having fun.
Looks like this upstart wasn't just bragging. He is good. Perhaps I'll get a little work out of this competition after all.
Time's up! Wolfang blind wind technique!
Sounds like fun.
Progress is astounding. I'm surprised by how much he's improved.
can't understand you. I don't speak.
What you lack in skill, you more than make up for in amusement. Though I do think your one-liners are just a bit over the top, don't you?
You want over the top? I'll give you over the top.
Wow, nice one.
Yes, but not enough.
That is, don't get me wrong, I appreciate the massage, but I thought you could fight. No, nothing is impossible.